relation between linear and angular acceleration. Let v1 be the linear velocity of the particle at A, where its angular velocity omega 1. Let v2 be the linear velocity of the particle at B, where its angular velocity is omega 2. v1 is equal to r into omega 1. This implies that omega 1 is equal to v1 divided by r. Similarly, v2 is equal to r into omega 2. This implies that omega 2 is equal to v2 divided by r. Alpha is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 divided by t. This implies that alpha is equal to v2 divided by r minus v1 divided by r whole divided by t. This implies that alpha is equal to v2 minus v1 divided by r into t. This implies that alpha is equal to 1 by r into v2 minus v1 divided by t. This implies that alpha is equal to a divided by r. For a particle is in non-uniform circular motion, a vector is equal to a vector cross r vector plus omega vector cross v vector. A vector cross r vector is equal to tangential component of a vector. A t vector is equal to a vector cross r vector. Omega vector cross v vector is the radial component of a vector. It is known as centripetal component of a vector. AC vector is equal to omega vector cross v vector. In case of uniform circular motion, AT is equal to 0, AC is not equal to 0 meter. Thank you.